Welcome! In this video, we'll cover how to keep your forked repository in sync with the original, or Upstream, project. This is a crucial skill for anyone contributing to open-source projects or working in a team using Git. First, let's quickly review what a fork is. A fork is your own personal copy of a project. It lets you make any changes you want, like fixing bugs or adding new features, without affecting the original repository. It's vital to keep your fork updated. The original project you forked from will continue to be updated with new code. Syncing ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes. It also makes it much easier to contribute your changes back to the original project later on, helping you avoid painful merge conflicts. In Git, we use names to refer to remote repositories. By default, origin refers to your fork, the repository you clone to your computer. We will create a new remote called Upstream, which will point to the original project that you forked from. To get started, you need to tell Git about the original repository. You do this by adding a new remote. In your terminal, use the command git remote add upstream, followed by the URL of the original repository. This only needs to be done once. After adding the Upstream remote, it's a good practice to verify that it was set up correctly. You can do this by running the command git remote -v. You should see both origin, pointing to your fork, and upstream, pointing to the original repository. Now it's time to download the latest changes from the original project. Run the command git fetch upstream. This command downloads all of the new commits, branches, and tags from the Upstream repository into your local repository, but it doesn't modify your actual files yet. With the changes downloaded, you need to apply them to your local branch. First, make sure you are on your main branch by running git checkout main. Then, merge the changes from the Upstream main branch into your local main branch using the command git merge upstream/main. The final step is to update your forked repository on GitHub. You can do this by pushing your updated local branch to your origin remote. The command is git push origin main. Now, your fork is perfectly in sync with the Upstream project, and you are ready to start making your own contributions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.